All right, guys. So this is my first video on this channel, and what I want to do for my first video is I want to tell you a little bit about how I lost over $3,000 in a matter of minutes day trading. Right when I first started out day trading, I remember exactly what it all felt like. I was at first when I lost over $3,000 in a matter of minutes. It was shock. I felt surprised. I was watching my money just go down. There's nothing I could do about it. Felt a range of emotions, felt nervous, felt sadness, felt anger. I want to get my money back. Wonder what was going on, right? I know some people out there can relate to that. If you're day trading, everybody loses money in day trading. Hopefully, you're not losing that kind of money. But the worst part about it all is it wasn't the fact that I lost over $3,000. It wasn't that damn. It's what I did next, right? When it comes to trading, you got to be disciplined. And what I did was I stopped paying attention completely to the setups on the screen. I started, trying to figure out how I can get my money back. I stopped following my rules, abandoned all rules, abandoned everything, and all I could think about was putting in that next order and just getting my money back as fast as possible. So I executed another order, lost money there, put in another one, lost money there, and just started chasing and started reacting and really just started getting emotional. So if you ever been in that place, if you're a trader, you've probably been in that place before. You know exactly what I'm talking about. And if you haven't been there yet, if you're tuning in this video, hopefully I'm going to save you a lot of money and a lot of pain today if you stick with me in this video. So my name is Courtney Golden, and I've been a trader and investor in the stock market for over 13 years now. And as I mentioned before, I spent the first part of those years, about 4 years of that time, was learning the hard way and just trying to get the day trading game down. And this is a little bit about my story. This is my channel, the Profits and Lessons Trading channel. And more importantly, this is what I learned from the losses over the years and the lessons that I learned over the years. And a big part of this channel is just sharing from my experience of those lessons and just what's worked for me up to this point in my trading journey. So when I started trading, I went all in on day trading, and there wasn't a moment. There were amazing moments when it came to day trading, especially when you catch the right moves and you're feeling good and everything is going the right way. You're having one of those great days where the money just seems like it's just coming easy, and for a few minutes on those days, you just feel like you're invincible. There's nothing that can go wrong in your trading, and I know some of you guys have felt that before if you're day trading. But then you have those days and those weeks that look completely different from that. You have the great months, you have the great weeks, followed by terrible weeks and terrible months. And sometimes you're feeling like you're taking two steps forward and then three steps back, right? And sometimes it just feels like you're just not getting it. And that inconsistency for me was one of the hardest things to get down, right? Just to swallow. I hated the inconsistency, and not just financially, but just the mental roller coasters that came with it, just the inconsistency in my thinking and approach that just really took a toll on me in my day trading journey. And when you don't know if the week is going to be a good week or a bad week, or the day is going to be a good day or a bad day, or the month is not going to, or it's going to go your way, or things going to fall apart for the month, it just kind of creates a level of stress when it comes to day trading, and a lack of confidence too, especially when you hit like a bad period, a string of losses, and all of that really does show up in your trading. And at least for me, it did. Here's what I know now that I didn't know back then. The problem really was it wasn't the fact that I wasn't working hard enough when it came to learning about trading. I was working extremely hard, and I was a student of the game, and I still am, and doing everything I can to just grow as a trader, especially when I was new to trading. And the problem was that I was forcing a strategy that didn't really fit my personality and what I really wanted out of trading, the lifestyle of what I wanted out of trading. Day trading really rewards people that are super fast thinkers when it comes to the market, that make really fast decisions in a short amount of time, especially under a lot of pressure. And they don't let the emotions get to the best of them every single day. You kind of got to take a robotic approach to the market, a mechanical approach to the market that most people just don't have it, right? That's a very specific skill set and a very specific lifestyle that a lot of people can't keep up with. And we got to be honest about it. That's why most people just don't succeed at day trading over the long run, right? And you might have a short amount of time or some periods where you're making money, but it's just hard to keep up with that on an emotional level, not even talking about just financially, just as a human being, it's just hard to keep up with that. So I kept on trying to make myself fit that mold of a fast day trader and that fast lifestyle. And instead of asking myself a much more important question when it came to trading, and that question was, what kind of trader and what kind of lifestyle do I actually want to have, and what kind of trader do I really want to be in my trading journey, in my trading career? And one thing that I never really considered when it came to trading is just quitting. I'm not a quitter, and just for the fact that I know the life changing results that trading can bring, I just wasn't going to give up. Right, I had to figure it out. I had to master it. I was determined to do that, but I had to be honest with myself and just know tell myself like, hey man, what you're doing right now, it's just not working for you. So if you're gonna stick with this, if you're gonna get it down, then you gotta do something differently. So those good weeks and those bad weeks, that inconsistency, it just wasn't gonna work for me in the long run. Those good months, terrible months, I had to figure something out. That's just not what I wanted from my trading career. And I knew there had to be something better out there. I knew people were making money from this and changing their lives with this. So it's just a matter of finding the right thing for me. So what I did was I went back to the basics, right? I started kind of researching other strategies out there, just looking into other things, Googling, YouTubing, and just learning different things, right? There's nothing wrong with learning and growing and figuring other things out when something's not working for you. And I wasn't looking for the next hot thing, right? I wasn't trying to jump in on hype. I was looking for something that's real, that could bring me consistency, that was predictable, and could just really give me the results that I wanted, that would be a better fit for my personality and a better fit for the lifestyle that I wanted. And really, that's when I came across cover calls in my research. And I remember the moment that I learned about how cover calls work. Like my eyes were open instantly. The excitement just filled in me. It was just something that made complete sense to me because what I love most about cover calls is just the simplicity of it. Again, it just made complete sense from the very first time that I heard about it that I could generate predictable income, guaranteed income just by holding quality stocks that I already had in my account or quality stocks that I was willing to just buy and hold. That's all I needed to hear, right? Again, it just made complete sense and it sounded like an awesome strategy. So I wasn't predicting the market. I wasn't trying to figure out what's going to happen tomorrow. I wasn't staring at 1 minute charts and looking for chart patterns and things like that that comes with day trading. I was owning great companies and selling premium and getting paid just to own them. So whether the stock went up, it stayed flat, or dropped a little bit, I was still going to be able to make some money. So that sounded great to me. And that's how cover calls work. So that was a shift for me, right? Not just in my results, it just shifted in my thinking, right? In my mindset, my whole approach to the market changed. The stress went away immediately when I started implementing this strategy. The inconsistency went away because I was making guaranteed predictable income. The emotional day trading roller coaster also that I was on for over the last 4 years in my trading journey. That went away. That was gone. And cover calls became really the foundation of my whole approach to the market at that point once I learned about them. And from there, I built a complete system that was a better fit for me. And I added swing trading, kind of added some other layers to that system, added swing trading, added volatility trading, and of course, added long term investing strategies to the system and to my approach to the market and had that working all together to fit in a system that most importantly matched my personality and matched my lifestyle and matched the trading career that I wanted for myself, right? So that's what it's all about. There's a lot of ways to make money in the market, but you got to find what works for you and what you want out of it. So 13 years later, here I am talking to you guys on YouTube. And here's some things that I wish somebody told me from day one instead of wasting all that time trying to figure it out the first 4 or 5 years of my trading journey trying to figure it out. I want to tell you guys what I wish I would have learned right away. And I'm going to tell you that for free right now. So, lesson number one that I wish somebody would have told me right away is learn about cover calls first, right? I wish I would have started right there first instead of spending the first years of my trading journey trying to day trade. If you own stocks or you're willing to buy quality stocks and hold them, cover calls gives you immediate way to generate income from those positions every single month, guaranteed predictable income. And not only that, the strategy is super beginner friendly, right? It's one of the most beginner friendly option strategies out there. And really, to this day, it's the foundation of my whole approach to the market. And I'll have an entire video on that coming later on this channel. We're going to talk a lot about that on this channel. So that's the first thing I wish I learned. The second thing I wish somebody would have told me in the beginning of my trading journey was you want to build wealth in the market, right? It's not necessarily about trying to get rich quick or trying to make a quick buck from the market. It's not a casino to gamble. Really, the market is a wealth building vehicle. It's a wealth building, a place to build wealth, right? So that's a mindset trap that a lot of people fall into, especially beginners, when it comes to trading in the market, right? Everybody wants to get rich quick, and day trading feels exciting because you're getting instant feedback from your trades. But that instant feedback loop, right? Those dopamine hits that everybody's on in day trading, it can also become an emotional roller coaster and become emotionally dangerous for a lot of people if you don't get it in check, right? So the traders and investors that I've seen build real wealth over the years and that I've learned from, and some that I've personally coached many students to over six-figure portfolios, coached several students to over $1 million in their portfolios. They're not the fastest ones, right? They're not looking to get rich quick. They're the most patient traders and investors. They're the most disciplined traders and investors, and they're building wealth in a systemized approach, right? They're taking the guesswork out of what they're doing, and they have a system that they're sticking to. No matter what the market is giving them, they're able to react to the market. They're not trying to force the market to do what they want it to do. They're not gambling on something, right? That's not the approach and how they're really building wealth in the market. The third thing that I wish somebody would have taught me and put me on game when I first started was learning how to pick the right stocks. So most beginners, when it comes to the market, they put all their energy into learning the strategies, right? They're too focused on entries, they're too focused on exits, their screens are crowded with all these indicators, just a lot of noise and confusion, a lot of distractions, and they're not getting down to the bare bones of the market. The market is a place to trade and invest in companies. And you got to learn how to pick the right stocks of those companies to be successful, right? Your strategy is only going to be as successful as the stocks that you're trading underneath them. So if you have weak stocks, you most likely your strategy is going to be weak as well, right? So it doesn't matter the execution of the strategy as much as the stocks that you're trading underneath them. You want to start with a good solid foundation and learn how to pick good companies and good stocks to actually trade. So at Profits and Lessons Trading, we run every stock that we trade through a 12-point checklist, right? We want to make sure that they check the box before we even decide to put our money into these stocks. And that checklist continuously saves us from bad trades, right? And it helps out much more than any indicator is going to help us, right? You got to understand how to pick great companies and great stocks first and foremost. So shifting gears, before I really get into what the Profits and Lessons channel is all about, I want to share a little bit about my background, so you guys know about me. So, over again, my name is Courtney Golden, and over the past 7 years in the market, I've been coaching traders and investors all over the country. Real people, right? Beginners who never placed a trade, all the way to experienced traders who've been at it for years, but maybe you're just looking to learn something new. They're looking for consistency and they want a system and approach to trading. That's exactly what we provide. So I help many students take their trading accounts over six figures, as I mentioned, as well as coach traders to over $1 million in their portfolios. But what I'm most proud of when it comes to my coaching and my trading journey is really just sharing the game, the real game with people about trading and investing from my own experience, right? I'm a very straightforward guy, a very straightforward coach, no hype, no theory, just not strategies that look good, but don't back test well, not that kind of stuff, right? And just real strategies that actually work. That's what I'm about. and taught in a way that's straightforward, that just makes complete sense, right? That's what I'm about, and that's what I was looking for, right? And that's how I trade, and that's how we coach. And that's exactly what the Profits and Lessons Trading a group is all about. And that's what this channel is all about. And that's exactly what I plan to give you if you guys tune in with me week in and week out. So now, let me tell you a little more about the Profits and Lessons channel and who this channel is really for, right? So you guys know if you want to stick with this channel or not, subscribe or not. Want to make sure that you're in the right place. So if you're tired of inconsistent results when it comes to trading, then this channel is for you. If you want to hear about quality companies and you want to learn how you can generate real monthly income from buying and holding good companies, then this channel is for you. If you're done chasing the next hot stocks, you're getting tired and exhausted of just trying to keep up with the hype, all the AI hype and all the buzz in the market, and you want to build something that actually lasts without distractions, this channel is for you. So on this channel, I'm going to talk a lot about cover calls. I'm going to talk a lot about swing trading, talk a lot about moving averages and volatility trading. And of course, the foundation of long term investing. That's what this channel is going to be about. So, if that all sounds good, then subscribe and stick with me on this channel because you're in the right place. I'm always going to do my best to break it down in plain English. So, it's easy to understand. I like to give you real examples, no sugarcoating, and straightforward is how I'm going to give it to you. All right. So if that sounds good, again, hit that subscribe button. And my philosophy and the philosophy of the Profits and Lessons Trading group, where we say every profit is a blessing, every loss is a lesson, right? So no matter what, we're going to take something from that trade, whether it's a profit, if it's a loss, we're going to learn from it. We're going to continue to grow as traders and investors, and that's what we're about. So before I close it out, wrap it up with this video. I want to let you know I put together a free training called the Beginner's Guide to Your First Covered Call. It's going to walk you exactly through the steps of how covered calls work, how you can make premium from owning great companies and great stocks, and yeah, how you can use that premium and that income to build your own weekly and monthly income cash machine. And I'm going to put that link to access that free training down below in the description box. Again, it's completely free. You just got to put in your email address and you'll get immediate access there. So go check it out right now after this video. Go check it out. Again, completely free. And if you're ready to dive deeper after that, everything that's inside the Profits and Lessons Trading Academy is on School, right? And I'll put the link how you can access School, the learning platform School, SKOOL. We have a whole learning group community right there. So I'll put that link right there if you want to continue to build with us. I'll put the link in the description box. And then lastly, again, hit that subscribe button to the Profits and Lessons Trading channel right here. I'll be dropping some new videos weekly very soon. So stay in tune with us and get notifications after you subscribe. Again, thank you guys for tuning in to this video, and I'll see you at school. Have a good one.